In this video I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop PSD files in Canva. So what you need to do is make sure you have located your PSD file. As you can see, I have it over here. Now the next step will be go back to Canva and there you will find projects. Now once you have opened projects, then go to add new and then select upload files. Make sure you will select all files, then search for the PSD file in the search box. And once you have found it, then select the PSD file you would like to use. After that, it will be uploaded into your project. If you scroll a little bit down, then you will find out that it is uploading at the moment. It will take a couple of seconds till minutes till it is finished with uploading. Now once it is uploaded, then you can open the design. And as you can see, we have our design over here. Now if you select it, then go to positions, then layers, then you can delete the first layer. Delete the layer by selecting it, go to the three dots and then click on delete. Now once you have deleted the first layer, you are able to use and edit this Photoshop PSD file in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!